Oh my gosh. Like, hello. Do I wish that this was still a blanket? Yes. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So different angle today. Hopefully it's somewhat flattering, but today's video we're actually going to be doing a try this, I try or I follow. Anyways, the premises of this video is that I'm trying another YouTuber sewing tutorials. So the YouTuber that I'm following today for my tutorial, her name is Kumani Stevenson. I'll leave all her details down below and also in the eye up above. So if you guys want to go check out the original video, then go ahead and do so. So I'm going to follow things exactly the way that she does it. However, the only slight changes that I want to make is that I want to make my pants high-waisted. What she's doing is she's basically making the pajama or the loungewear set that Kim Kardashian had put out. Yeah, so her video dropped December 11th, 2019. She basically recreated the whole set on $25 using a king-sized blanket that I think that she got from Walmart. She does live in the States, I live in Canada, so I got mine for a bit more expensive, $40, by Hudson's Bay. But this is the throw blanket that I got. As you can see, it's still in the packaging since then, because I was planning on doing this tutorial a long time ago, but that's besides the point. So it is a king size throw blanket. It is like same kind of fluffy material. Her own had more of like a pattern on it, this one doesn't, but it is like a brownish beige, so I think that's gonna go really well. I'm really excited to see how this looks. But yeah, I'm just going to follow her tutorial. Hopefully I can put it on the screen somewhere down here. What I'm wearing right now is what I'm going to use as the outlines for the top and the pants. Like I said, I just want to make the pants a bit more high-waisted. But other than that, it's going to be the top, pants, and it's like a robe. So yeah, if you guys are interested in watching me follow another YouTuber sewing tutorial, then just keep on watching.
This is the blanket that I used. I got this from Walmart for $25. I got this in a king size, and you are gonna only need one.
So she claims that you just need the one king size. I'm pretty sure she is also taller than me, so let's see how this works out and if you can actually do it at home. For those of you who don't know, I am 5'2".
What we're gonna need is a crop top, something that has little to no stretch because the fabric does not have any stretch.
So a crop top with little to no stretch. This does have a bit of stretch, but I'm used to working off of things that have a little bit of stretch. I usually just add a couple of centimeters on either side just in case. But I'm gonna try and not do too much just because of the limited amount of fabric that we do have.
Then you want some lounge pants, and then also a bathrobe.
Lounge pants. And a bathrobe. I do have a bathrobe.
To start, you want to lay down your crop top flat on the fabric and just cut out the shape of it. Now, since this fabric has zero stretch, you want to make sure you leave some extra space for when you do sew it. So I left out about 2 to 3 inches.
See that she like measured it out. She kind of just placed it on top and then cut around. So this is gonna be interesting because I usually always measure and draw out. So we're gonna try it like this.
2 to 3 inches of extra fabric at the bottom, and I did about 1 inch of extra fabric on the sides.
She basically cut her sleeves. She cut the straps right onto the body of it, so we're gonna do that as well.
Once you're done, you're gonna want to cut out the same exact shape, making 2 of these exact same pieces.
I'm pretty sure you could just use the same piece that you just cut out. She didn't do any folding. Usually I would fold on the bias so that fold on the line so that I get 2 pieces at once, but she's cutting out everything separately. Maybe it's because of the limited amount of fabric. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try it that way. To me personally, it just seems like a lot more work, but
next, you are going to want to take your pants and fold them like how I have mine folded. Said this fabric has no stretch, so make sure you do leave extra fabric on the sides for when you do sew. Now you are going to need 4 of these exact same pieces. You just want to lay the robe flat on the fabric and just cut out the back piece of your robe. So if you want it to be floor length, make sure you extend the bottom like how I did.
My robe is already like floor length, so we don't have to worry about that too much.
And this shape is basically just a big rectangle, so you are going to basically need 2 of these exact same pieces.
So what she did was basically take the front and the back and just made it exactly the same, and then just cut right down the center for the front piece to make it open. She also cut the front piece down the middle before she sewed it to the back piece.
Now on to the semi-easy part. We're going to take our top and put both of the exact same pieces on tops of each other, and then I am gesturing where you are going to need to sew. So you're just going to sew both sides up and then the tops of each strap. Up pretty evenly, and then I'm just going to gesture where you need to sew. So sew that part up.
So also, instead of sewing the 2 pant legs together, I know, like, I really hope that how I'm explaining it makes sense. So when you look at your pair of pants, you have the front and the back. So basically she sewed the 2 back pieces together near the crotch area, and then she sewed the 2 front pieces near the crotch area as well, and then she sewed down the sides of the pant legs to make it one pant, instead of doing one pant leg then another and then sewing the crotches together. Let me see if I can model like her too. She's so cute. Yes. Okay, well, come to you from the future me. Let's just say this little experiment did not go anywhere it was supposed to. First of all, I think I made all my cutouts just like an inch too small. So guys, if you're gonna recreate this, if you think that you put enough space, you didn't. Put more. I think I was very concerned and worried about how much fabric is going to be left over for me to be able to create this and the pants, that like I thought about it too much and I made my pieces too small. Don't worry about it, you will have space. Other than that, yeah, no, I don't think that this is for me. Guys, look at this. Look at this. I had to add in an extra piece to everything. So on both sides of this, the pants, we're not even gonna try those on. Those are a hot mess. This is like, the sleeves are all like bulgy and bunchy, and they were not supposed to be that way. Yeah, they're like bunching up here, and it's like it's too tight on top, and it's giving me like this weird fall in front. I mean, I have it floor length, so it's all the way down to the floor, so like, you know, hey, I'm probably still gonna put this on and cover up because it's nice and warm, but I am not leaving my house in this. This did not work out the way that I thought it would. But I decided to, you know, still film it, still continue, put it out there, show that, you know, things like this do happen. Especially when you're filming and trying things out for the first time. Don't expect to get everything right on the first try. What's important is that I finished it, and I'm still going to put out the video. I'm still going to, you know, do everything that I say I was going to do, and not fall back into my old habits of when things don't work out, I get down on myself, I beat up on myself, and you know, things just get out of control. Next thing you know, it's summertime, and haven't posted a video since New Year's, so we're not going to go down that route this time. You know, maybe next time. Maybe somebody else should buy me the blanket next time, and I wouldn't be as concerned, and it would actually turn out properly. Like, ugh, you guys, okay, no, you actually need to see these pants. Like, they're bad. Like, I don't even know how to fix them bad. This has nothing to do with her tutorial and how she did things. It has everything to do with how I did things. Let's just make that clear. But these pants are bad. Oh, these would have been so nice if they had turned out properly because it's so comfy. Maybe I messed up when I tried to go high-waisted because, like, what is this? I could fit a whole nother person in here. A whole nother small person. I don't even know if this is the back or the front. Like, what the... What is this? I don't even know. See, like I had to add because it was too small up here. So even if you had made it up to here, you would have been fine. Look at how much extra space you got here. Well, maybe if I just... No, I really don't know what to do with these, so...